this is what's left for this season. Fresh tomatoes. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna prepare them for the pizza. I'm gonna kind of like smash them like that. And then I'm gonna put them in the hot water for some time to help the skin to peel. Now it's out of the warm water after about 2 to 3 minutes, not more. I'm gonna start peeling the skin. Fresh basil. And we'll kind of mix them together. And some salt, some sea salt. And strain it to get rid of some excess water. Now it will be more concentrated, and tomorrow will look more uniform. Very precious. That should be perfect. So it's 245 grams. Here's the pizza dough after 8 hours sitting in room temperature and now ready to make pizza. If you don't want to make pizza when they're that way after 8 hours in the room temperature, you can put them in the fridge for about 24 hours. I don't recommend to put them for longer. Let's make some pizzas. So we're gonna make an authentic marinara pizza now. So we're not gonna add any basil. So basil free. Very airy dough. And this is the tomato, the fresh tomato I made yesterday. Look how nice and uniform together, and how much I did. Because the marinara pizza has no cheese, and if you don't put enough tomato, it will rise in the oven like crazy. Let's do some dried oregano. Mucho dried oregano. The beautiful sliced garlic. And the king here. Very nice extra virgin organic olive oil. Sorry. right through it. Nice and soft. And now I'm gonna try to eat it not the ways they used to eat it back in the history, but I want to try to eat it the ways they eat it now in restaurants in Naples. For the first time in my life, I'm gonna try to eat it the way the Italian eats it. I saw it on a lot of YouTubes, so maybe it's too big for the plate. Let's see. Really close. I saw something like that. It's a new experience. I'm not used to that. Another one. Very, very thin, as I told you. Nice. I'm gonna try to do this piece like that. I'll give you some weight.